Hey, before we start the video, make sure you smash that like right now, thumbs up wherever you're watching it on, and share this out. There's always a share, a way to share it. Help us out. Leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed or followed us, do it now. Thank you. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with an unboxing, and we're talking about Black Diamond car audio. Make sure you like this video right now. And later when you're done, leave a comment, good or bad. Let me know how I did or what you'd like to see. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. This right here is a newer one. It's the DIA-8MB300-8. This is only $54.99 right now. You can get that on blackdiamondcaraudio.com or you can go to bigjeffaudio.com. Now, get a little manual in here. That's pretty normal. Alright, we'll go over that specs. What I do like is you get a nice cutout, so you can pop this out. You actually can trace this and get a perfect hole. And then let's pull this bad boy out, which also comes with a gasket, which is real nice, so you can seal it up, peel and stick. Alright, I'm going to put that back in here. Let's take this bad boy out. So obviously it is an 8-inch. It does have the paper cone, which is a lot of people like that. You get that smack. You know, that's where these originally rated from. They started with paper cones. You get a lot better sound out of them, a lot louder. You still have the Black Diamond around it. It's a simple $54 8-ohm speaker, which is 150 watts RMS and 300 watts peak. We're actually going to take this out to the test bench so you can hear the output out of it. Let's go over a few specs while we're here. Let's see here. Well, let's go to the English. Basic. It's a Captain foil. It's material is made out of aluminum. It's paper. I mean, there's not much there, but let's look at the actual specs that make importance. Impedance is 8 ohms, 150 watts RMS, 300 watts peak. It's a 97 dB sensitivity rating. This will play from 60 hertz to 5 kilohertz. Recommended high pass crossover is at 80 hertz. And why they do that is they say it will play down to 60 hertz, but obviously that's pretty low. They're recommending to go from 80 and up. Okay. You're not going to really worry about the X-Max, FS, stuff like that. It's not a subwoofer, but mounting depth is 3.54 inches. And that is from here to the bottom of the magnet. So it's not real big. It'll fit in most places. The biggest thing is the price and how it sounds. So let's go take this outside on the bench and we're going to check her out. We're outside. We got the 8MB300, which I told you was a mid bass because it goes very low, right? So we're just going to hook it up to our bench here and we're going to do the old walker back thing. We'll keep it real simple. Alright, so we're just gonna put this in here just like it's in the door, and we're gonna turn this on. Now, let me explain on this one. The amp is at full range. That's why you're hearing, or hopefully hearing, so much mid bass. So, on top of that, being in the box even, which would be like a door, there's a tremendous amount of mid bass out of this thing. You can, I mean, I don't know how you can hear it good on the video. Everybody wants to hear it on video, but look at the box. So, I mean, it's in the box. That's a good amount of mid bass, and for that price, you can't go wrong. So here's another way to do an unboxing, get hooked up here. Could go deeper, but you know what? Buy a set, try it out, and I don't think you're gonna be disappointed, especially for that price. I'm Big Jeff with another unboxing, Black Diamond Car Audio.